Hey Brittany, this is Chad at Cajon Mitsubishi. I received your inquiry about the 2018 Kia Forte. I just wanted to make a quick video for you, kind of highlighting some of the features of it and telling you some more information on it. To start things off, like I said, this is the 2018 Kia Forte with the Popular package. The Popular package is pretty cool. I'm actually going to be telling you a little bit more about that in just a second. But first, the car is a clean CARFAX, which means it has no accidents, no damage reported, one owner vehicle. And one of the best things about it is it still has an active warranty, so really good. On the front of the car, you'll notice that this is a projector style headlight, which makes for better light output at night, more direct beam. The car also has a brand new oil change as well as oil filter. It has new cabin air filter and new just regular air filter installed. Tires on it are above 80%, so the tires are really good condition. Same with the brakes. Brakes are in awesome condition as well. As you notice on the outside of the vehicle, there's literally no dents, no dings. All the paint is still good. Go ahead and continue walking all the way around it. Sorry, it is a little bit dirty right now. Obviously, we'll detail it for you, not to worry. Now I'll go ahead and show you the interior. I do want to go ahead and start at the trunk and then I'll work my way forward. So give me just a second. Pop the trunk there. Looking in the back, you'll have a ton of trunk space back here. Look at that, a lot of trunk space. You'll notice that we do still have the floor mats. We keep the floor mats in the trunk of the car, that way they stay fresh for you. A little bit of extra cargo space down there. Now, part of that Popular package that I was telling you about earlier that this car has is going to be a little bit nicer interior. It's a premium cloth interior with a slightly different design to it. Really nice interior. Of course, you have the center armrest there with the cup holders in it. Go ahead and look at the front seat. This is where you kind of get into that package I was telling you about, that Popular package. You can see that the car has, of course, Bluetooth on it. All of your steering wheel mounted controls. Car only has less than 20,000 miles, so great on mileage. Looking over here at the screen, this is where the Popular package comes in. This is a 7-inch touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a big step up from what you would traditionally get. Of course, you have a really nice climate control system there. Automatic gearbox. Alright Brittany, that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, have any comments, please make sure you email me back and I would love to respond to them. Look forward to meeting you, Brittany. Bye.